going to talk to you about the vitamin E oil benefits and how to use it correctly. So if you are interested, keep watching.
Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.
Vitamin E oil is rich in antioxidants that fights inflammation and slows down the effect of free radicals. Vitamin E oil can be used as an overnight treatment. It can be used all over the face as an anti-aging treatment. It is best to use it at night because of its thick texture. Some beauty products in the market may contain vitamin E oil, but the percentage of vitamin E in them can be as low as lesser than 1%. Vitamin E oil is beneficial in removing acne marks, hyperpigmentation, dark patches and dark circles. It also increases the effectiveness of vitamin C serum. If you have dry skin, you can use it daily or every alternate day. But if you have oily skin, use just once or maximum twice a week or use it as a spot treatment. To apply it, first remove your makeup with makeup remover if you have makeup on. Then use your face wash. Then apply vitamin E oil all over your face. You can mix few drops of vitamin E oil with any carrier oil like argan oil or jojoba oil. You can mix it with your moisturizer. Just mix a few drops of vitamin E oil with your moisturizer and use it all over your face before going to sleep. Use it at least 30 minutes before going to bed because it is a very thick oil. Your skin will need some time to absorb it completely. Dark circles, you can apply few drops of vitamin E oil on your dark circles with your ring finger before going to sleep. Vitamin E oil might reduce some amount of dryness associated with eczema, or it might treat mild psoriasis. But if you have major skin issues, do consult a skin care specialist rather than dealing with it at home by yourself. Limited resources suggest that vitamin E oil can work effectively on sunburns. Vitamin E oil is good for cuticles and dry nails as well. It is great for dry and chapped lips as well. If you want to include 100% pure vitamin E oil in your skincare routine, then use vitamin E oil that comes in capsule forms. I will specially recommend the vitamin E oil that comes in capsule form as spot treatment or just once a week for using it all over your face. If you are scared to use vitamin E oil that is 100% pure because it might clog your pores, you can use vitamin E oils that comes in diluted forms. Or you might use few drops of vitamin E oil mixed with your moisturizer as overnight treatment. But if you have really oily skin, I would suggest you to use it just once or twice a week, not more than that, or use it just as a spot treatment. Evian vitamin E capsule, which is very popular in India, comes in 200 mg, 400 mg and 600 mg forms. The difference between these three are only the quantity of vitamin E oil present in each of them. The vitamin E 200 mg capsule has much lesser quantity of vitamin E oil than the oil present in 400 mg or 600 mg. So I guess I have given you enough information about vitamin E oil. If you have any other questions or any suggestion, be sure to comment below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay happy and keep glowing always.